Is software really dying? Some commentators may argue that AI agents will replace enterprise applications entirely. This idea gained momentum when software stocks started correcting earlier this year. And at the same time, AI systems showed the ability to write code and also automate workflows. But history suggests that one needs to be cautious before declaring extinction. Hi, I'm Sandeep Sastry. So what we are seeing is evolution of business models and enterprise software. For nearly 40 to 50 years, enterprise software was sold largely as licenses, upfront, perpetual, with upgrades every 3 to 5 years, maintenance contracts, and then treated as a capital investment. Then came the era of SaaS. In 2000, Salesforce launched a campaign, End of Software, delivering applications over the cloud as subscriptions. Software didn't end, but it evolved. Incumbents adapted, business models shifted, and this transition led to growth for a long period of time. Over the last 2 decades, software has moved towards a subscription model, pricing per user. What we are now moving is into a third phase, where pricing is going to align more with the work being done. As AI executes workflows, pricing may move per task or per workflow or per business-based outcomes. If history is any guide, this transition is going to take time, not months, but 5 to 10 years or even more. So when we hear software is dying, it might sound compelling in the moment. But like before, software isn't disappearing, but its business model is evolving. You can learn more in my NC Tech article. Thank you.